Vashamanaya Swaha, a very popular approach. Vashikarana Shakti, control over others through casting spell. Vashikarana Shakti. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSP 1080 channel. Your eyes are the most powerful sensors which the Supreme gifted you with. Be as you are. Be the one who you were when God sent you here. Be a part of the cosmic excellence if you truly want to be a spell upon others. Vashikarana Shakti, control over others through casting spell. Eyes identify people, objects, places, and many other vibes which we don't even realize. They get habituated to see what your mind loves to see. In return, your mind and heart are programmed to cherish in the same. You expend energy. That is Vashikarana Shakti, control over others through casting spell. The very sensitive chakras in your yogic body catch the very vibes you transmit, and your entire body and life system will adopt to the intention and choices you make. Thus, a singer upgrades into a versatile singer by practice. You are your master. Vashikarana Shakti, control over others through casting spell. Vashikarana Shakti is one more misunderstood word. The secret behind this amazing art is that it works well if your intentions are pure. The well-being of the world and the non-interference into the law of the universe is important. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu loka kalyanam idam tantra vidya. The universal rule stands good in every little deed we do. You will get back multiples. The way you train your mind to think, the heart expertises the basic emotions. The body becomes an embodiment of your emotional intelligence. Thus, hatred and destructive thoughts ultimately destruct the native. Reason why many tantrics and healers messed up their own lives. Vashikaran is keeping others under your command and control, making them puppets in your hands. First, we should take utmost care that our eyes do not cast negative spells upon others. Call it Buri Nazar or Vashikaran. You should not be casting a negative spell on others. We are all but human, and our eyes admire and adore beauty, success, prosperity, and grandeur. The moment comparison shoots up in the mind, there is every chance for envy and jealousy creeping into our hearts unknowingly. This is the moment when the evil vibes emit from us. There are many kutantrics who practice Vashikaran Shakti with an evil intention in order to gain total control over others to exploit them. They enjoy breaking relationships, disturbing happy marriages, ruining prosperous people and families. This is sadism, the negative side of the Vashikaran Shakti. Just as we can chop vegetables with a knife or slit throats with it, the intention and motive play a major role. Vashikaran thus has both sides. Let us know about them both. How to protect ourselves from the negative aspect of Vashikaran Shakti and how to gain the power of positive Vashikaran Shakti. First, we should clear away the negative flow from our eyes if we want to experience the positive side. Many people talk about buri nazar falling upon them and their families, but very rarely we find someone who complains about his own negative looks harming others. Every eye has both connections, the good and the bad, the positive and the negative. So, first we should clear away all the negative connections from within us. Vashikaran Shakti is possible only through love energy. One who has empathy and concern for the well-being of others will certainly have the Vashikaran Shakti in his eyes. His auric fields carry unlimited Akarshana Shakti. People love to be in his good looks. Varada Devi of the Mooladhara Chakra, Bandhini Devi of the next Swadhisthana Chakra, and the next Nanda Devi of the Manipuraka Chakra enhance the powers in the auric fields of an upasak who humbly practices Vashikaran Shakti to help others lead a happy life and also be benefited by them. People who gain the amazing silver light energies and the indigo color energies in their chakras will have the unique charishma in them. The person who holds the positive Vashikaran Shakti is usually busy guiding others towards a better living and is often surrounded by people who love and adore him. He is truthful, principled, honest, and humble. He has immense gratitude towards them who are the reason for the luster in his life. The positive Vashikaran Shakti can enhance through constant meditation, mantra chanting, prayers, and the optimistic nature. He would never threaten or frighten the needy. People who practice Vashikaran Shakti through temporary tricks and talismans gradually lose their basic potentiality and find themselves totally drained. Many people who are confused with occult powers and black magic resort to several self-conceived wrong methods, and their mind is continuously engaged in hatred, anger, and worry about the rival forces. Thus, their own precious life energies are burnt away. They stay isolated. They fail to display their academic knowledge. They fail to get proper job, business, or income. The family relationships struggle. Vashikaran Shakti, control over others through casting spell. The power of positive Vashikaran Shakti holds him well balanced, and he would never stoop down to gain from the helpless situations. He could be charging a fee or remuneration for his time, but he will not be self-centered to squeeze out money. He will respect others and be humble in words and worthy in deeds. He keeps smiling. They don't get married. People who resort to the negative side of Vashikaran Shakti, they don't get married, or they head towards painful separation. They cannot have children. Even if they happen to have children, they are cranky, disorderly, and stubborn. Vashikaran Shakti, when wrongly used with evil intentions to curb the freedom of fortunes of others, to win over situations illegitimately, to dominate or dictate others, the supreme energy spreads inside the native and causes skin, pancreas, liver, and kidney-related complications. In fact, grudge, hatred, fear, worry, and rivalry cause shocking health complications naturally. Hence, compassion, empathy, forgiveness, unconditional love, and tolerance build the high spiritual powers in an individual They are mantras. How do we protect ourselves from the negative forces or Vashikaran attacks? How do we gain pure, natural, positive Vashikaran energies to experience luck? How can we upgrade into healthy, loving beings? Are there any remedial measures or tools or talismans or sadhanas to address this situation? The power of positive Vashikaran Shakti, remember it, holds the person well balanced, and he would never stoop down to gain from the helpless situations. He could be charging a fee or a remuneration for his precious time, but he will not be self-centered to squeeze out money. He will respect others, and he will be humble in words and worthy in deeds. You can find him, he keeps smiling. The very first and foremost thing they need to do is resorting to love, devotion, and meditation. There are countless mantras, mudras, symbols, and methods to ward away the negative attacks. You're always protected if your intentions are pure and harmless. This is the age-old Pancha Banini copper yantra, incomplete, not revealed openly. There are 128 Agrabanini yantras which carry several mantras, yantra rekhas, symbols, and vigorous rituals revealed by our ancient Tantra volumes, Vashikarana Shakti, control over others through casting spell. The best method of increasing our own powers of the positive energies is to find out various ways to increase the power of blessings, and be very careful that you do not catch the evil curses of others. Even if he is your subordinate, your servant, your colleague, or your own family, avoid foul language and attitude of being angry, reluctant, stubborn, and criticizing. If you have a need to say no, try to use a soft tone and make your statement clear. Be humble and kind. This does not mean that you should accept everything that hits you. If you do not like your subordinate and you have legitimate reasons to say he is worthless, better get rid of him or keep a distance from them. Many people develop the attitude of arrogant, reckless, satirical way of talking. They think they are smart and fair. This causes hatred. Never spread rumors or false talk. Never belittle others and make tall talks. Never crave to insult others and hurt their inner being and their feelings. This adds power to negative attacks upon you. The pain caused by you emits negative vibes towards you. Spend good time with birds, animals, nature, and kids. Find ways to receive the blessings of the poor and the needy. Respect elderly people. Visit an orphanage or an old age home once in a way and do whatever little you can do. Pleasing them may not always require money. Spend some time hearing them talk. Calm their minds with positive affirmations. Do not expel your official stress upon your own family members. Trust me, if you become the cause for any female to shed a tear, your boat begins to sink. Your growth is delayed. Your success is very much minimized. Mother and father are living gods on earth, and children do not have any rights to find faults with them. Escape from situations where you cannot take it. absorb your anger and emotions. This is all to protect yourself. Nandu Baba, our ascended master, says, one who keeps his parents happy, one who receives the blessings of parents, one who manages to bear with the elderly people and keeps them happy is blessed. The divine power multiplies and he stays protected. Another important factor is holding a grudge or vengeance against others, you lose your health. Resort to meditation. Our channel has many options. VSP 1080 channel, Energy Circles, yes, it has many options. Try our Rally meditation, or the Quick Win meditation, or Empowering Sleep meditation, Nidra Shasanam, or the Star Call meditation, or the Ultimate Wonder meditation, Deca Medicycling, and many more. Please visit Energy Circles VSP 1080 channel upon YouTube and experience the relief. Visit temples or prayer halls, visit music or dance concerts, spend time with the beautiful nature, and you will find all the trash within you evaporating. Keep a strict watch upon your thoughts. If you are always thinking about evil, devil, negative, destruction, and filling yourself up with fear and hatred, it is clear that you are adding fuel to the fire and magnifying the powers of the negative. You become weak and you could be easily be a victim in the hands of the rivals. Let rock salt melt in a bucket of water and take a bath in it, followed by a clean shower. Do this for a week. Burn lamps in the south direction of your house. You can invoke fire energies frequently by resorting to havans, or you may simply pour some clarified butter upon a cow dung cake and let the smoke spread around. Invite elderly couple home on some occasion and host a lunch or dinner. Now I am revealing the most powerful yantra, Dharankush yantra. There are several tools, talismans, yantras, bhanjikas, petikas, rituals, symbols, and healing methodologies to help you shield ourselves, which help us shield ourselves, our families and locations from the evil casts and negative Vashikaran powers. Netrapeetham, Khadgadhara Yantram, and there are many more. Revealing to you one of the most effective yantra which can be displayed against such negative impacts to protect you from the Vashikaran bad Shakti, the negative Vashikaran Shakti. This can be made all by yourself for your own benefit. Dharankush yantra is one of the very powerful protection and negativity blockage yantras, which are 32 in number. This one is simple. It should be either written or engraved upon any wood or metal and displayed upon the main door of any premises. Let our eyes not emit any negativity. Let peace, prosperity and joy be everywhere. Let our eyes gain the Shubhavashikaranam. As soon as you get up in the morning, rub both your palms and quickly cover up both your eyes as you chant Netradvaye Trimurti Shasanam Dharmalochanam. Netradvaye Trimurti Shasanam Dharmalochanam. Surya Chandra Saumya Shakti Chalanam Shubhavikshanam. Netradvaye Trimurti Shasanam Dharmalochanam. Surya Chandra Saumya Shakti Chalanam Shubhavikshanam. Dehi Dehi Ojaskara. दिव्य तेजस्करा नेत्रद्वये त्रिमूर्ति शासनम धर्मलोचनम सूर्यचंद्र सौम्य शक्ति चालनम शुभवीक्षणम देहि देहि ओजस्करा दिव्य तेजस्करा. This mantra will clear any negativity that might emit from our eyes, thus protecting us from being a cause of pain to others. Always choose to gain the positive Vashikaran Shakti through love, kindness, compassion, empathy, and the will to do good to the world. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu, loka samastha sukhino bhavantu. Vashikaran Shakti, control over others through casting spell. There are several tools, talismans, yantras, bhanjikas, petikas, rituals, symbols, and healing methodologies to help us shield ourselves, our families, and locations from the evil casts and negative Vashikaran powers. This has been revealed to you, one of the most effective yantra which can be displayed against such negative impacts. This is a very powerful yantra, the Dharankush yantra. This can be made all by yourself for your own benefit. Try it and you'll be very, very, very thankful to Energy Circle's VSP 1080 channel. Aditya Sakshi Sampurna Raksha Ojaskaraya Tamoharam Namah Shivam Tejomayaya Gauri Priyam Shankaram. Digvijayi Bhava.